Hello, so today I'm going to do a quick tutorial for how to write off a bad debt expense using a credit memo. Now normally credit memos are used by the seller, issued to the buyer to discount the amount or write off an invoice. Now normally this is done due to issues relating to maybe there is a shipment delay or a defect in the product, but it can also be used to record a bad debt, an invoice which is uncollectible. Now, in order to do this, all you have to do is hover over here to New Transaction and click Credit Memo. Select the date for which you want the credit memo to be issued. Now, over here for Product and Services, you want to create a bad debt expense. So, bad debt. And this is going to be a service item. And scroll over here, and we're going to create bad account. Now this is going to launch this little box right here. And over here you want to scroll down and make it an expense. When this happens, you can go down to the next drop down, and there will be a bad debt expense built into QuickBooks. So now that you have this, all you have to do is click Save and Close. And save and close this as well. After that, your bad debt account has been created. Now all you have to do is fill in the amount of the open invoice. In this case, it was $81, and click Save and Close. Now, normally, in QuickBooks can recognize if the invoice amount matches a credit memo, so it was directly applied. However, if that's not the case, you can always click on Receive Payment and manually connect the invoice to the credit memo to reduce the amount or write it off. Hope that helps.